Hello everyone. What we have today is the Nokia E7. It's a beautiful device with Symbian Anna and probably one of the first after E6 which has Symbian Anna. The box is as always Nokia keeps it minimalistic, but this box fairly looks different when we compare it with other products, maybe for example the Nokia N8, which had a rectangular box and the same blue color, and as you can see the shiny parts. Apart from that, this box is more of a cuboid with the image in color, and same shiny Nokia and Nokia X7. The specifications and some details. Other than that, the box is pretty solid, hard cardboard. And if we compare with some other devices, like for example we have STC Desire Z box, and this one is also following the cuboid structure, but this one is having a more detail at the back than like X7. So, and also follows the same pull-out kind of structure. So cutting everything short, we'll just start with the unboxing of Nokia X7. So when you open up, we find this gorgeous beautiful looking device over here, and if you see, this cardboard is pretty thick and pretty deep. So if you follow the Nokia policy of environment, then probably you can use the same as a pen stand, and I guess it'll pretty much fit the bill. So this one is what we have over here is Nokia X7, and intelligently placed the SIM card holder, which the Nokia N8 didn't have, and then it came up with Nokia E7. So we'll just unwrap this device, and before that we'll look into the contents. The contents, as we saw, is the Nokia X7, which is a unibody, so the battery won't be opening up, not user replaceable. This is the SIM card holder we have, and this has a fairly unique mechanism which you will see later. And if you see, there's an intelligently placed eye, and definitely it stands for information, telling us there's a lot inside the box. Here is just a pretty cardboard, we can just move it off, and when we pull out, here two small booklets inside this wrap. One is Nokia X7 get to know your device, like how to start and key parts, SIM cards, and how to charge, and the basic fair minimum to know the phone, which I guess most of us will be aware. And here is the Nokia standard manufacturer advice and everything. So now coming to the main parts, this X7 is a entertainment device. So what we see here is the earphone and the charger. This earphone little box, which also contains the data cable logo, so definitely it will have a data cable. When we open it up, we find this white data cable with USB and micro USB to the computer and micro USB to the phone. And here this is a music grade earphones, so we expect the same as given provided with the N8. There's audiophile earphones, and so it's in ear with inline controls and mic. About the music quality, definitely we'll see it when we play some music, but before that, let's see other package, which is the charger, a micro USB charger. That means it won't be having a 2 pin as N8, which had both, and it will be like E7 mostly. So if we just start off with the device, the Nokia X7, which is a 4-inch, has Symbian Ana, is slip covering the camera, and we have 8 megapixel EDOF camera with dual flash, and this is 4-inch Symbian Ana uni button, 2 speakers over here, and here we have the micro USB, earphones, and the power on off. This is a special function also, which we'll know later. Here we have the memory card slot, SIM card slot, which is open. We'll put in the SIM with this, and here we have the volume keys and the camera key. Apart from this, there's brush metal Nokia and Nokia X7, as you can see, and pretty shiny and good to hold. If you hold just like this, and not thick, it's pretty thin, and black shiny surface. The curve is actually making it good to hold, and 4-inch doesn't make much of a issue over here. So we'll just we won't try to put a SIM, but we'll just put in the SIM card holder and start up the device. So here we are firing up Nokia X7. It has Symbian Ana, and oh, it's firing up, so we won't do anything else rather than looking at the screen. And I would prefer that this one will be having a gorgeous feel to anyone using it, because it looks premium, and the black front and silvery back, and it's actually good to see as well. If you see from this side, or maybe you see from this side, I mean both the sides, it just looks pretty good. And if you go by the bottom, here is definitely the microphone. So here we are introduced by the Symbian Ana. It's probably loading a few things. So I guess it's completely loaded. Now I think we can go to the menu. Okay, here we are with Symbian Ana icons. To confirm it up, so it is definitely Symbian Ana. So it looks fairly as Symbian, nothing much compared to, but definitely it feels faster. And see, we can see the screen when we switch, so it's pretty good. So we will have only 3 home screens over here, I guess, because there's no other option to add an extra home screen.